Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to pin your Google Calendar on your taskbar. Right, so what you are going to do is we are going to be pinning your Google Calendar on your taskbar so that you can easily have access to your Google Calendar anytime that you want to set an event or schedule your time. Right, first of all, let's open our Google Chrome browser. So open our Google Chrome browser, and once you open your Google Chrome, you just have to log in through your email. Once you log in through your email, now you can see already I am logged in, and as you can see here, my email is logged in. Once it's logged in, to have access to my Google Calendar, just click on this Google Apps, and then as you click on it, it drops down, and now you can see we have our calendar here. So just click on it. Right, so it takes you direct to your Google Calendar, so you can set your event or whatever it is that you want to do here. Right, now let's go ahead to pin it onto our taskbar. To pin this onto the taskbar, it's very easy. What you just have to do is that once you are just on your Google Calendar, right here at the top here, you see this three dots. So click on it. As it drops down, now you move down to cast, save and share. Right, cast, save and share. This is it here. So once it drops, you can see it gives us a navigation here, which we have cast, save and the others. So you now click on create shortcut. So create shortcut. Right, so as it give you shortcut, so it says what name do you want to give the Google Chrome browser. So let's just say I'll give it my Google Calendar. Right, just an easy name. Now once you just give your name, then you click on create. As you click on create, it will create a shortcut to your desktop. Automatically you can see that it opens a folder for me. Right, so let's close this calendar here. Once it creates the shortcut, as it says it's on my desktop, you can see here. So let's close this one again too, and now you can see that it is here. So if I open this, right, it takes me direct to my calendar. So let's close this. Now what you have to do to pin it, just drag and drop it onto your taskbar. Right, so you can see that once I moved my mouse away, but it's still there. It's now pinned to my taskbar. So if I click on it here, right, it opens my Google Calendar. So whatever event or any activity that I want to set up, I can just set it up. Maybe this is the calendar. I can just click on this calendar and set whatever that I want to do. Right, so that is just how easy and simple it is to pin your Google Calendar on your taskbar using Google Chrome browser. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one.